The cosmetology program at San Diego City College is your first step to becoming a beauty professional. Here's how you get started. Attend a virtual information session to explore your options. Then participate in the in-person orientation session followed by the enrollment lottery. We use this process to ensure a fair and unbiased selection of students interested in this high-demand program. Want guaranteed admission? Complete your general education classes first, and you will be on the path to earning an associate's degree in cosmetology or aesthetics. San Diego City College is the only school that can offer this opportunity. Visit our website to learn more and to discover why you belong here.